If you are on a weight loss journey like myself and you have a sweet tooth, the cookies I'm about to show you will help you lose weight whilst enjoying a delicious snack. At least it has been for me. These are low carb, sugar-free and guilt-free indulgence. Instead of wheat flour, I have substituted with coconut flour. Coconut flour can be found in any supermarket. I bought this one from Food Lovers. And believe me, it looks small, but it can last you like 2 months. Because for each batch, you can use like 1 cup of coconut flour. And these cookies for one person, they can last up to a week. Because per day, you only eat maybe 2 cookies. Because if you eat 1, you get full quite very easily. So here I've mixed 4 eggs, vanilla essence, and also a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And now I'm adding 1/2 cup of honey, and like I said, you can use a sweetener to substitute the honey. Eating less sugar and carbohydrates in a day have worked for me to lose weight. And studies have also shown high sugar contributes to prolonged elevated blood sugar, insulin resistance, all of which are linked to weight gain and excess body fat. And to be honest, it's not easy to eat less of pap, sugar, rice and bread because those make up our breakfast, lunch and supper since we were babies. I've just added 1 cup of peanut butter, and this is organic peanut butter, handmade, sugar-free and free from preservatives. If you can't find such, you'd rather just use a peanut butter that doesn't have sugar in it. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. And don't worry if your batter is too runny, it is fine. Coconut flour absorbs a lot of water. So only 1 cup of flour is required, and you can pour it straight into the batter, or if you have a sieve, you can just run it through the sieve. Like you can see, mine had lumps in it, so I didn't want that. And also it's the perfect time to add in your baking powder. I've added only 1 teaspoon, and also cinnamon for that extra flavor in it. So just to make this clear, we gain weight for various reasons. I became obese after my last pregnancy. It's okay to talk about it. It's okay. Sometimes we do gain weight. It's just a natural thing. Another reason we gain weight is because of our diet. We have a diet that is very full of carbohydrates. So just an example, in the morning you eat 4 slices of bread or 6 fat cooks for breakfast. You have rice and stew for your lunch, and also pap and relish for evening. You see, that's a lot of carbohydrates. And on top of that, you also have sweets, cakes and biscuits in between. And you do not have a workout and spend most of the day seated watching your TV or working in an office or at school. All that food is just extra energy that your body is not using, and that ends up being stored as fat. It can be hard to find a balance, but it is important to try and do something about it. Back to the cookie batter. It is now ready. It is runny, like I said, it's okay. And now is the perfect time to add in your chocolate chips. I've added 1 cup of chocolate chip with no sugar in it. You can find these in your local shops, or try Spar. I did find them at Spar, or you can find it anywhere. Food Lovers. Quite a lot of shops are now selling this sugar-free stuff. So you want to have something like this, which doesn't look very nice, but it's okay. It's gonna look nice at the end. I've also prepared a baking tray, and I put in a parchment paper on it just for ease of cleaning, but it is purely optional. And in this case, I'm using a spoon to scoop out because it is not as it is a bit runny, so it's easy just to scoop out with your spoon and place it on the baking tray. So like I said in the beginning of this video, you can make up to about 24 to 28 cookies with this batter. And mind you, I only used 1 cup of coconut flour, and they can store easily. They have a shelf life for about a month, but believe me, they'll be gone within a week. If you have a family, if you've got friends, they will eat them all up in one sitting. Like I'm showing here, I still had some more to add, and I fortunately had prepared a second pan, and I'm just gonna scoop in there. So this usually takes up to 20 to 30 minutes to bake at 180 degrees, but it's important that you just maybe watch just to see if they're done or not. You know, with ovens it depends with the make. I once baked something for like 20 minutes and it was done, yet the recipe was saying you can bake for 30 to 40 minutes. So yeah, it's only a matter of learning your oven and how it works. And yeah, the big moment we've been waiting for, the cookies are done, and look at that, they look so beautiful, they look so delicious. And believe me, the kitchen was smelling very, very nice. Everybody was drawn into the kitchen, they wanted to have a taste, and I had to pick this up so that you can see how it will look. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. This will help my channel grow. And also please like this video, add a comment down there about your weight loss.